Every year, the Consumer Electronics Show brings thousands of companies, startups, and technology enthusiasts from around the world to Las Vegas, and CES 2026 was no exception. The central theme this year was physical AI, meaning AI that interacts with the real world through the physical bodies of robots. This reflects a shift from traditional software-based AI to machines that perform real physical tasks in homes, workplaces, and factory environments. At the LG Electronics booth, visitors saw LG Clody for the first time, a home AI robot that embodies the zero-labor home concept, a space where everyday household routines are maximally automated. The robot is equipped with 2 robotic arms, 5-finger hands, and an autonomous wheeled navigation system, which allows it to perform a wide range of household tasks in real home environments. During demonstrations, Clody retrieves food from the refrigerator and helps prepare breakfast. For example, taking milk and placing food in the oven, starts and folds laundry after washing, moves objects, and interacts with smart appliances through the LG ThinQ ecosystem. The robot's head module with cameras, sensors, a display, and a voice AI makes interaction with users feel more human, while its focus on household tasks distinguishes Clody from industrial robots. One of the most discussed moments of CES 2026 was the Boston Dynamics booth, where the company and its owner Hyundai Motor Group presented an updated version of the humanoid robot Atlas. For the first time, Atlas left the laboratory and appeared on the CES stage, demonstrating the ability to walk, move, and interact safely with its surroundings. An important step from an experimental robot toward a real product ready for commercial use. The new Atlas is an electric, human-like machine designed with a focus on practical value and collaboration with people and workflows. It demonstrates flexibility, stability, and adaptability in movement, making it suitable for industrial, logistics, and service applications. Hyundai presented a strategy for the development of AI robotics focused on human-robot collaboration and emphasized that robots like Atlas will be used not only for demonstrations, but also for real tasks in factory and workplace environments. Alongside LG and Boston Dynamics, CES 2026 became a platform for many other robot manufacturers. The presence of Chinese companies was especially notable. More than half of the exhibitors in the humanoid robotics section represented Chinese developments, including new robots with autonomous functions and the ability to integrate into commercial ecosystems. Many manufacturers showcase solutions oriented toward practical commercial use of AI robots, including industrial and service humanoids, assistant robots, and machines designed to support logistics and healthcare. In addition, CES featured assistant robots, autonomous platforms, and specialized robots for education, entertainment, and household tasks, highlighting the growing interest in the market of physical AI agents that interact with people in real life. CES 2026 in Las Vegas once again confirmed that robotics is moving beyond laboratories and demonstrating real, practically applicable technologies. Switchbot has introduced something that until recently seemed out of reach, an affordable AI-powered humanoid butler robot. Its name is Onero H1. The robot is capable of performing everyday household tasks, preparing breakfast, loading the washing machine, cleaning windows, and helping around the home without constant human supervision. Onero H1 features a humanoid torso for working with household objects and a wheeled base for fast and stable movement around the apartment. But the main thing is that it is not limited to rigid scripts. The robot learns and adapts, adjusting to a specific home and the habits of its owner. Switchbot calls it the most affordable household AI robot, focusing not on exclusivity, but on the mass market. This is what distinguishes Onero H1 from previous humanoids. It is being created not for laboratories, but for ordinary homes. The startup Nomatrix has demonstrated something that was previously considered impossible for machines. Its Brain 2.0 system is capable of shaving a person without a single cut. The secret lies in extremely sensitive feedback. The robot tracks pressure on the manipulator and micro-movements of the skin in real time and instantly adjusts its actions. Every decision is made on the fly, without delays or rigid scripts. At first glance, it looks like a technological attraction, a paradise for the lazy. But in reality, shaving here is only a demonstration. Nomatrix's goal is much broader: to teach robots to perform any delicate work where mistakes are unacceptable. This technology opens the way to robots capable of working in medicine, microelectronics, caregiving, and other fields where sensitivity at the level of a human hand is required. The robot whose dance impressed visitors at the Canton Fair turned out not to be a show toy, but part of a major industrial strategy created by the Shenzhen-based company GITEX Robotics. Despite its spectacular movements and almost human-like plasticity, this android is not designed for entertainment. Mass production will begin before the end of the year, and the robots will be supplied to industrial factories to work on assembly lines and perform repetitive operations. What is more interesting is that, according to the developers, this robot is not yet ready for household work. Cleaning floors, cooking food, and doing laundry are tasks that require a higher level of intelligence than physical labor in a factory. The company Fibot has trained its humanoid robot to play badminton, and this is much more complex than it may seem at first glance. The android is not yet ready to compete with a professional athlete, but it can already confidently return the shuttlecock to its partner at speeds of up to 19.1 meters per second, a level of quickness that requires an almost instantaneous reaction. The robot plays fully autonomously, without external control. It independently determines the shuttlecock's flight path, calculates the strike point, and synchronizes the movement of its arms, legs, and torso in real time. What looks like a simple game for a human is an extremely difficult task for a machine. Vision, motion prediction, balance, precision, and timing all have to work as a single system. It seems that Chinese engineers have reached a new level in training humanoid robots, as in these scenes an acrobat android skillfully dodges arrows fired at it from close range. But this is not a trick and not a pre-recorded animation. The robot recognizes the threat in real time, analyzes the trajectory, speed, and direction, and then instantly adjusts its body position. In fact, we are seeing reflexes that were previously considered exclusively human. Reaction, balance, coordination, and precise calculation of movement fractions of a second ahead. Such experiments are not done for show. These algorithms are being developed for work in dangerous environments, during rescue operations, in industrial settings, and in high-risk zones where a mistake can be too costly. Write in the comments what you like the most after watching this video. Subscribe to the Karo Show channel so you don't miss the next episodes. Bye for now.